Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Caesar salad sauce. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1 large egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 clove of minced garlic. Also, have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste for that classic, savory depth. These simple items form the delicious base. Now let's create that perfect emulsion. In a medium bowl, whisk together your egg yolk, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, and lemon juice until well combined. This forms the foundation. Next, very slowly begin to drizzle in your 1/4 cup of olive oil. It's crucial to whisk continuously and vigorously as you add the oil. This steady motion ensures the sauce thickens beautifully and achieves a smooth, creamy texture. With your emulsion formed, it's time to infuse those signature Caesar flavors. Stir in your 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, ensuring it's fully incorporated. Then, add 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust. You might want a touch more lemon juice for brightness or a pinch more salt. This step truly brings the sauce to life. Your homemade Caesar salad sauce is now ready to enjoy. Drizzle it generously over crisp romaine lettuce, add croutons, and perhaps some grilled chicken for a complete meal. For any leftovers, transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It's best used within 2 to 3 days for optimal freshness and flavor. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.